Hi everyone. In today's video, we will show you an overview of the work schedule function in Orange HRM. An employee's work schedule outlines the hours and days they are expected to work. It typically includes start and end times, break periods, and days off. Work schedules vary based on job requirements, industry norms, and employer policies. Jax is a global HR manager in his office. He wants to create a new work schedule for the employees in France. To include a work schedule, navigate to the Employee Management module. Click on More, then select Configurations, and choose Work Schedules. Here Jax can see all the work schedules previously added. To add a new schedule for Bell, Jax click on this Add Schedule button. First, add a name for this schedule. Next, we can add the country here to set this schedule as the default for employees in France. Now Jax can set up the schedule by defining working days, half days, and non-working days in a week. Next, Jax can also set shift in and out times, along with the break start and end times. Admins have the option to add or exclude break times from the duration. Click Save to save the work schedule. Once the schedule is saved, HR managers and supervisors can manage employees' work schedules based on the access given to them. To allocate Bell's work schedule, Jax should access Bell's profile and navigate to the Job tab to review and modify Bell's work schedule. In here, select the newly added work schedule and click Save. The added schedule can be seen here and view it by clicking here. All the changes will be tracked in the Job History section. If Jax adds a new employee to the system for the France region, the newly added work schedule is selected by default. If Jax intends to allocate leave, or if Bell attempts to request time off, the leave dates will be handled in accordance with the Bell's work schedule. Additionally, in the Leave List tab, admins or supervisors now have the option to filter leaves by the work schedule. If Jax wants to add working weekends to the France region, it is only allowed to add according to the added work schedule non-working days. Here, when Jax is picking the date, he can pick non-working days he defined by Jax earlier. In Reports and Analytics, all the display fields are named work schedules. Additionally, in the Export Attendance Record report, we provided an InNote option to indicate the weekends and non-working days. And that is how you can use the work schedule function in Orange HRM. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.